students, welcome to Ajaxra Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss problems on distance and displacement part 2. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let us go to the today's session. First one, a particle is at x is equals to 5 meters at t is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 7 meters at t is equal to 6 seconds, and x is equals to 2 meters at t is equals to 10 seconds. We have to calculate the average velocity of the particle during the intervals t is equal to 0 to 6, t is equal to 6 to 10 seconds, and t is equals to 10 seconds. Options are first one, second one, third and fourth options. In these options, which one is correct? Let us go to the solution. The position of the particle at different times is shown in the figure. Average velocity of the particle in time interval t is equals to 0 to 6 seconds. See this figure, t is equals to 0 to 6. Here A, B, 5 meters, 2 meters and x is equals to minus 7 meters. This is the positive x direction and it is a negative x direction. T is equal to 0 to t is equal to 6. V average, that is average velocity is equals to total displacement by total time. Substituting x2 minus x1 by t2 minus t1. Minus 7 minus 5 by 6 minus 0, minus 7 minus 5 minus 12, 6 minus 0 6, 6 ones 6 twos, so minus 2 meters per second. Now next, t is equal to 6 seconds to t is equals to 10 seconds. Average velocity equals to 2 minus of minus 7, that is x2 minus x1 by t2 minus t1. Minus of minus plus, 7 plus 2 9, 10 minus 6 4, 9 by 4 2.25 meters per second. Next last one, t is equals to 10 seconds. V average, that is average velocity is equals to 2 minus 5 by 10, that is equals to 3 by 10. 3 by 10 nothing but minus 0.3 meters per second. Here 2 minus 5 minus 3 by 10, so that is equals to minus 0.3 meters per second. So minus 2 meters per second in the interval of t is equal to 0 to 6, minus 2 meters per second, and 6 seconds to 10 seconds, average velocity is 2.25 meters per second. And next at t is equals to 10 seconds minus 0.3 meters per second. So first option is correct. Okay, next. For a body moving with uniform acceleration a, initial and final velocities in a time interval t are u and v. U is the initial velocity and v is the final velocity. Then its average velocity in the time interval t is v plus at by 2, v minus at by 2, v minus at and u plus at by 2. Now let us go to the solution. V average is equals to final velocity plus initial velocity by 2. Here v is the final velocity and u is the initial velocity. Next, substituting v average equals to here v plus v2 v minus at by 2. So 2v minus at by 2. Separating this, here it can be written as 2v by 2 minus at by 2. 2 gets cancels, v minus at by 2. So which option is correct? Second option is correct. So average velocity in the time interval t is v minus at by 2. Okay, next. Next one, if a body travels 30 meters in an interval of 2 seconds and 50 meters in the next interval of 2 seconds, then the acceleration of the body is, here we have to calculate the acceleration of the body. Here options are 10 meters per second square, 5 meters per second square and 30 meters per second square, and the last option is 25 meters per second square. Now let us go to the solution. See this, A to B 30 meters in the interval of 2 seconds and B to C 50 meters in the interval of 2 seconds. From the second equation of motion, S is equals to ut plus half A t square. Substituting first 30 meters, so this is 30 is equals to u into, in the place of t we are adding the interval of 2 seconds. So u into 2 plus half a into t square, nothing but 4. 2 ones, 2 twos. So 30 is equals to 2u into 2a. Next, multiplying with 2. For our convenience, we are multiplying with 2. That is 2, 30 is a 60. That is 30 into 2, 60. That implies 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4. For equating the next equation. So, second equation is 50 plus 30. That is 80 meters. 80 is equals to, in the interval of t is equal to 2 seconds. First 2 seconds. 2 plus 2, 4 seconds. So, 4 into u plus half a t, nothing but 4 seconds, that is 4 square. So 80 is equals to 4u plus half into a into 4 square, nothing but 16. 2 ones, 2 eights. So this equation becomes 80 is equals to 4u plus 8a. So to equating this, we multiplied first equation with 2. So this equation becomes 60 is equals to 4u plus 4a and 80 is equals to 4u plus 8a. Now we are subtracting this equation, then we get this plus 4u minus 4u gets cancels and the remaining equation is 60 minus 80 minus 20, that is equals to minus 4a. Minus minus gets cancels. A is 4 ones, 4 fives. A is equals to 5 meters per second square. So A is equals to 5 meters per second square. So the option is, second option is correct. Okay. Next. A proton in a uniform electric field moves along a straight line with constant acceleration starting from rest. If it attains a velocity 4 into 10 cube kilometer per second in a distance of 2 centimeters, the time required to reach the given velocity is in the order of, here we have to calculate the required time. 10 to the power of minus 3 seconds, 10 to the power of minus 6 seconds, 10 to the power of minus 8 seconds, 10 to the power of minus 5 seconds. Now let us go to the solution. Starting from rest, nothing but initial velocity is 0. So that is u is equals to 0. Final velocity of the electron is v is equals to, the given as 4 into 10 cube kilometer per second. Distance traversed by the electron is, S is equals to the second equation of motion, ut plus half a t square. In the place of u, 0, it starts from rest. So S is equals to 0 into t, 0 plus half a t square. So that is equals to half a t square. But v is equals to u plus at. U is also 0. So v is equals to at. A is equals to, from this it can be written as v by t. So S is equals to half, substituting a value in this we get half v by t into t square. T gets cancels. So t is equals to, from this it can be written as S is equals to t gets cancels and v t by 2. So from this can be written as t is equals to, taking cross multiplication, 2 into s by v. Now substituting 2 into 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 by v, nothing but 4 into 10 cube into 10 cube, converting kilometers to meters. Next, now this 2 2 ja 4, 4 gets cancels. Here 10 to the power of 10 cube into 10 cube, nothing but 10 to the power of 6. Here 10 to the power of minus 2 by 10 to the power of 6. It becomes 10 to the power of minus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So here 10 to the power of minus 8 seconds. So t is equals to 10 to the power of minus 8 seconds. Required time is 10 to the power of minus 8 seconds. So the third option is correct. Okay, next. A man walks up a stationary escalator in 90 seconds. When this man stands on a moving escalator, he goes up in 60 seconds. The time taken by the man to walk up the moving escalator is 30 seconds, 45 seconds, 36 seconds, 48 seconds. Now let us go to the solution. Here the concept is absolute velocity versus relative velocity. Velocity of man with respect to ground, that is equals to velocity of man in the stationary escalator, that is Vg. So let S is equals to length of the escalator, and now T1 is equals to S by Vg. So velocity of escalator with respect to ground, that is Ve. So then T2 is equals to S by Ve. So when man walks on the moving escalator, the velocity of the man with respect to escalator is Vme is equals to, with respect to escalator, Vmg plus Veg. So substituting S by T is equals by T1 plus S by T2, since V is equals to S by T. So from this T1 T2 by T1 plus T2. Substituting values, 90 into 60 by 90 plus 60. 90 into 60 by 150. So that is equals to, here 0 0 gets cancels. 3 2s are 3 5s are, and 5 1s are 5. Here also 5 1s are 5. Here 5 8s are 40. So 18 2s 36. 36 seconds. So option 3 is correct. Next. Distance travelled by a body is given by 2s is equals to 10t plus 5t square meters. The acceleration of the body is 2.5 meter per second square, 5 meters per second square, 10 meters per second square, 0.5 meters per second square. Now let us go to the solution. Acceleration of the body is a is equals to d square x by dt square. Now we are differentiating this equation, that is s is equals to, now first the given equation is 2s is equals to 10t plus 5t square. This equation can be written as s is equals to 2 is going this side, 10 by 2t plus 5 by 2t square. So now v is equals to, first we are differentiating, then we are getting velocity, that is ds by dt, that is equals to, first this is 2 1s 2 5s, 5t plus 5 by 2 t square. Then after differentiation, 5 plus 5 by 2, this ds by dt is equals to d by dt of 5t plus d by dt of 5 by 2 t square. So this d by dt of 5t, 5 is a constant, and dt by dt 1. So 5 plus here d by dt of 5 by 2 is a constant, and d by dt of t square, d by d to the power of x power n, n into x power n minus 2. So substituting formula, 2 into this is 5 plus d by dt of, that is 5 by 2 into d by dt of t square, that is 2t. 2 gets cancels, we are getting 5 plus 5t. So ds by dt is equals to 5 plus 5t. Next, now we are doing acceleration, that is d square x by dt square is equals to this. Again we are doing differentiation to this constant is 0. So 5t nothing but 5. So a is equals to, that is acceleration of the body, d square x by dt square is equals to 5 meters per second square. This is ds by dt. So option is, second option is correct. Okay. Next, two cars are traveling towards each other on a straight road at velocities 15 meters per second and 16 meters per second respectively. When they are 150 meters apart, both the drivers apply the brakes and car deaccelerates at 3 meters per second square and 4 meters per second square until they stop. Separation between the cars when they come to rest is 86.5 meters, 89.5 meters, 85.5 meters, 80.5 meters. Now let us go to the solution. See this figure, two cars are traveling towards each other on a straight road. Here when they are at 150, this is the distance between the two cars, 150 meters. Now first we should calculate S1, that is u square by 2a, and S2 is equals to u square by 2a. X is equals to 150 minus of S1 plus S2. Substituting 225 by 6 plus 256 by 8. This becomes 37.5 plus 32. So 150 minus 69.5, that is equals to 80.5 meters. So the option is, fourth option is correct. Okay. Next, the velocity of a body as a function of time is v is equals to t cube minus 6t square plus 10t plus 4. Set the acceleration of a body in increasing order at given times. T is equal to 0 seconds, t is equal to 1 second, t is equal to 5 seconds. First option is BAC, second option is ABC, third option is CBA, fourth option is CBA. Now let us go to the solution. Velocity of the body v is equals to the given as t cube minus 6t square plus 10t plus 4. So acceleration equals to dv by dt. We are differentiating this. T cube nothing but 3t square, 6t square means 6 into 2t, 6 2s are 12t plus 10, constant 0. Consider this as equation number 1. Next, substituting t is equal to 0 in equation 1. So then we get a is equals to, t is equals to 0 nothing but this t square 0 square, this t is equal to 0. So these are all zeros. A value we are getting 10 meter per second square. T is equals to 1, A is equals to 1 meter per second square. Here 3 into 1, 1, that is 1 square nothing but 1. 3 into 1, 3, minus 12 plus 10. So 3 minus 12 minus 9. Minus 9 plus 10, 1. So when substituting t is equals to 1, acceleration we are getting 1 meters per second square. T is equal to 5, acceleration 25 meters per second. Here substituting A is equals to, the equation is 3 into t square nothing but 5 square minus 12 into 5 plus 10. 5 square 25, 25 3s are 75, minus 12 5 is 60 plus 10, 75 plus 10, 85, 85 minus 60, 25. So when we are substituting t is equal to 0, a is equals to 10 meter per second square, t is equals to 1, a is equals to 1 meter per second square, t is equal to 5, a is equals to 25 meters per second square. So then acceleration of the body in the increasing order BAC, that is t is equals to first one is 1 second, and that is t is equal to 0 seconds, and t is equals to 5 seconds. So the first option is correct. B, A, C. Acceleration of the body in increasing order at given times. First one, B option is t is equal to 1 seconds. T is equal to 1 second, A is equal to 1. Second option is t is equal to 0 seconds. When substituting t is equal to 0, A is equal to, we are getting 10. So increasing order nothing but 1, 10, 25 meter per second. So 1, that is t is equal to 1. So first one B, next A, next C. So the first option is correct. Now next one, a car starts with a constant acceleration of 2 meters per second square. At the same instant, a truck traveling with a constant speed of 10 meters per second overtakes and passes the car. How far beyond the starting point will the car overtake the truck? 10 meters, 50 meters, 100 meters, 200 meters. Let us go to the solution. Initial velocity of the car. So here a car starts with a constant acceleration of 2 meters per second square. That is, it starts from rest. So its initial velocity is equals to 0. So that is u is equals to 0. Next, now this is the car and the truck. V is equals to C. Acceleration of the car. A is equals to, they given as 2 meters per second square. So speed of the truck, that is 10 meters per second. Let t is the time after which car overtakes the distance travelled by the car in time t, that is equals to distance travelled by the truck in time t. So half a square is equals to ut. So from this t is equals to 2a by 2u by a. Substituting 2 into 10 by 2. 2 gets cancelled, 10 seconds. So the distance travelled beyond which they meet, that is 10 into 10. 10 tens are 100 meters. So third option is correct. Next, a car is moving along a straight road with uniform acceleration. It passes through points P and Q separated by a certain distance with a velocity of 30 km per hour and 40 km per hour respectively. Velocity of the car exactly midway between P and Q is 33.3 km per hour, 20 km per hour, 25 root 2 km per hour, 35 km per hour. Now let us go to the solution. Let S is equals to distance between P and Q. Distance of midpoint, that is PR, is equals to S by 2. We have third equation of motion, V square minus U square is equals to 2AS. From this, it can be written as V square minus U square by 2S. VQ square minus VP square by 2S. So this is the distance between P and R, that is S by 2. From P to Q, total distance S. So VQ square minus VP square is equal to 2A into S by 2. 2 gets cancels, A S. So that is VQ square minus VP square by 2S into S, that is equals to VQ square minus VP square by 2. This here also S gets cancels. So VR square is equal to VP square plus of VQ square minus VP square by 2. So this can be written as, here VP square taking LCM, 2 VP square minus VP square plus VQ square by 2. So VR is equals to, from this square is going that side, under root of VP square plus VQ square by 2. Substituting 30 square plus 40 square by 2. So that is here 30 square 900, 40 square 1600, 1600 plus 900 2500 by 2. So this 50 by root 2. This is root of 2500 by 2. So root of 2500 50 by root 2. So the option 25 root 2. This can be written as 15 25 into 2 by root 2. So again this can be written as 25 into root 2 into root 2 by root 2. Root 2 gets cancels. 25 root 2 meters per second. Okay. So the third option is correct. Next one. A body covers 30 meters and 40 meters during 10th and 15th second respectively. The acceleration and initial velocity of the body are. Here we have to find acceleration and initial velocity of the body. 2 meters per second square 35 meters per second, 2 meters per second square 11 meters per second, 11 meters per second square 2 meters per second. 1 meter per second square 10 meters per second. Now let us go to the solution. This is a body covers 30 meters and 40 meters during 10th and 15th second. Let u be the initial velocity of the body. Next, distance travelled in nth second, that is Sn is equals to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. Now distance travelled in 10th second, that is given as 30. So 30 is equals to u plus a by 2 into, in the place of n we are adding 10. So that is equals to, here 10 to the 20. 20 minus 1 19. So u plus 19 by 2 into a. Now after LCM 32 is 60. 60 is equals to u plus 19a. Consider this is equation number 1. Also next 40 is equals, this is the distance travelled in 15 second. So they are given as 40. So 40 is equals to u plus a by 2 into 2 into 15 minus 1. U plus a by 2 into 15 2 is 30. 30 minus 1 29. So this after LCM 40 into 2 80. 80 is equals to 2u plus 29a. Consider this as equation number 2. Solving 1 and 2, we will get u is equals to 11 meters per second. First equation is here 60. First equation is 60 is equals to 2u plus 19a. Now we are solving these two equations, and second equation is 2u plus 29a is equals to 80. So this equation can be written as 2u plus 19a is equals to 60. This is first equation. Second equation is 2u plus 29a is equals to 80. Now we are doing subtraction. Plus 2u minus 2u gets cancelled. Here minus 10a, that is equals to minus 20. Minus minus gets cancelled. 10 ones 10 twos. So a is equals to, we are getting 2 meters per second square. Substituting a value in this, we will get 2u plus 19 into 2, that is equals to 60. 2u is equals to 60 minus 38. 2u is equals to, here 19 2s are 38. So 60 minus 38. 60 minus 38 how much? So here 22. So 2 ones 2 11s. U is equals to, we are getting 11 meters per second. This is initial velocity. Now second option is correct. This is acceleration, and acceleration is 2 meters per second square, and initial velocity is 11 meters per second. Second option is correct. Next question. A body travels 200 meters in first 2 seconds and 220 meters in next 4 seconds. The velocity at the end of 7th second from the start will be 10 meters per second, 15 meters per second, 220 meters per second, 5 meters per second. Now let us go to the solution. A body travels 200 meters in first 2 seconds from A to C 2 seconds, and next 4 seconds it travels C to B 220 meters. At the end of 7th second from the start we have to calculate velocity at the end of 7th second from the start. Let u be the initial velocity of the body. Next, in first 2 seconds, distance travelled by the body is 200 is equals to 2u plus half a into 2 square. 2 square nothing but 4, 2 2 is 4. So 2u. So 200 is equals to 2u plus 2a. This is equation number 1. And in 6 seconds, the distance travelled by the body from the start, that is 200 plus 220, 420 meters. So 420 is equals to 6u plus half a into 6 square. That is 420 is equals to 6 to 6u. Here 6 square nothing but 36. 2 ones 2 18s. So 420 is equals to 6u plus 18a. This is equation 2. Solving 1 and 2 we are getting a is equals to minus 15 meters per second square and u is equals to 115 meters per second. Substituting here u and a values, then v is equals to u plus at. 115 that is initial velocity minus a nothing but minus 15 t 7 last 7 seconds. So 115 minus 15 sevens 105. So velocity v is equals to we are getting 10 meters per second. First option is correct. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.